Hi, welcome. I'm Robin. This is day 28 of Cultivate Patience Introduction to Ashtanga, and today is a rest day. So we are going to do some breath work, some pranayama, as our part of our rest day. Traditionally, Ashtanga is practiced 6 days a week and 1 day of rest with some other extra days thrown in for moon days that we don't practice either. So you can sit upright on a cushion or just sitting up. You can sit on a chair. I'm going to lie down on my back. I find that to be the easiest way to connect with my breath. Just find someplace comfortable. And just start to observe your breath, not trying to change it. And noticing the natural rhythm. Where the breath enters and leaves the body. And you can keep your arms wherever they are, but if you would like, you can take your hands to your belly, or maybe one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart. And then observe this. We're going to start to control the breath, breathing all the way down to the deepest parts of your lungs as you inhale. And then slowly exhaling all that air out, noticing your navel pull back in towards your spine. Taking full breaths. Now we're going to do Dirga breathing, which is a 3-part breath. So as you inhale, notice your belly rise, your ribs, and then your chest. And then as you exhale, your chest lowers, your ribs, and then your belly. Do that again. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. Keep this going on your own. next time you exhale, just come back to your natural breath and notice how you feel. Oftentimes when we practice Ashtanga, we're breathing Ujjayi breath, the victorious breath in and out through your nose, constricting the back of your throat. And perhaps you've been engaging your bandhas that we've been talking about, your pelvic floor lock, lifting up your pelvic floor muscles, and your Uddiyana bandha, pulling in that low belly in and up. And when you have those bandhas engaged during your practice, your physical practice, as you breathe, your belly does not lift. Your diaphragm expands, but there's that navel lock there. So just notice here what it was like to take those breaths with your belly rising and falling. These calming breaths. And of course, if you've been doing it during your practice anyway, that's perfectly fine. There's all different styles of yoga. Well, maybe the next time you practice Ashtanga, you can practice it with the locks, the bandhas engaged, and see how that feels. And then gently roll to one side if you're lying on your back. Taking a moment of pause. And then gently press up to a seat. And notice that you can take a few moments at any point in the day. You don't have to be wearing special clothing. You could still have your socks on. You could be in your pajamas. And you can lie down or you can stay seated. Just a few moments of breath, of connection. Take your hands to heart center with a lot of gratitude for our breath and our body. We will close with the sound of Om if you would like to join in. Inhale. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here today. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to see you tomorrow for Navasana, the boat pose.